Hey, what is up guys, back here with another video, and today we're gonna do keyboard shortcuts part 2. So, let's get started. So in the last keyboard part 1 video, I did a lot of keyboard shortcuts that a lot of people didn't like, and a lot of people actually really liked that video and wanted to know more. So, let's do part 2 of it, and let's get started. So the first one is very easy actually. So you know how we have to go to the search button right above or beside the Windows button to search for an application if you don't know where it is. So there's an easy way to search for an application. So all you have to do is press the Windows key and then press or type in whatever you want. Let's say Spotify, and then press enter and you will go to Spotify immediately, which is actually very fast. Another thing that's actually pretty cool is going to your web browser or any place that you want, and then pressing right beside that button and then pressing Control backspace at the same time. This allows you to delete entire words without using your mouse or anything else, which is actually very less time consuming than what you would usually do with your mouse and then highlighting everything and then deleting everything, which is kind of a hassle. But this can allow you to delete entire words very quickly. Another cool trick that you would like is going to a web browser or doing something on the web, and let's say you want to refresh a page quickly without using your mouse. So all you have to do is press Control and R at the same time and it'll refresh the page. You can also press F5 on its own and it'll refresh the page like that. And that's pretty cool. So this shortcut allows you to open settings immediately. So the first thing that we do is click on the wallpaper, and now all we have to do is press Windows plus I. And there you go. The setting page is all up and you can start doing whatever you need to do. So as you know, I do have a lot of virtual desktops open, as I showed you in the last video. So all I have to do is press Windows tab and add another one where it says New Desktop. But an easier way to switch between those desktops or virtual desktops is pressing Control, Windows, and the left and right arrow key, which is actually pretty cool and very fast. But if you don't want to use this way and you want to choose which desktop you want to go to, all you have to do is press Windows tab and then pressing on which desktop you want, which is very convenient. So the last and probably the most important one out of all of these is how to open all of these tasks or any of these tasks very easily. So the first thing that you need to know is what number these are in. So this is number 1, number 2 is settings, number 3 is Cooler Master, and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to open the Cooler Master settings. So all I have to do is know what number it is, which is number 3, and then press Windows and 3. So Windows and 3. There you go. So that's how to do it, and it's very fast and very convenient, as you can see. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, like it. If you love this video, smash the subscribe and right below like button if you don't get updates on more videos coming very soon. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it. Peace.